Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Excel School. In today's video, I'm going to share with you one of the most time-saving shortcuts in Excel. If you've ever wasted time typing some formulas manually, this trick will blow your mind. By the end of this video, you'll be summing up rows, columns, and even entire tables with just a single keystroke. So, make sure to watch till the end. And if you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. We all use Excel to work with numbers, adding sales figures, combining expenses, or finding totals for reports. Normally, we type equals sum or drag formulas manually. But Excel has a built-in secret weapon, AutoSum, and it's triggered by pressing ALT equals. It automatically detects the range of numbers above or to the left and inserts the sum function instantly. It's one of those shortcuts that saves you minutes every day, and that adds up to hours every week. Let's start with a simple example. Here I have a list of monthly sales for January to December in column B. To find the total, I'll just click the cell below the last number, say B14, and then press ALT equals. Watch what happens. Excel instantly adds the sum formula equals sum, B2, B13, and gives me the total. No typing, no dragging, no stress. And guess what? This shortcut works not just downward, but sideways too. If you have numbers across a row, simply move to the cell next to them and press ALT equals. Excel automatically sums the row values. Here's a pro tip. You can calculate totals for multiple columns at once. Let's say you have data for different products, product A, B, and C, each in its own column. Just select all the cells where you want the totals to appear, one below each column, and then press ALT equals. Excel will instantly add some formulas for each column in one go. This is a massive time saver, especially if you work with large datasets or monthly reports. Now let's take it a step further. If you have a complete table with multiple rows and columns, you can use ALT equals to sum entire areas quickly. Here's how. Select the entire data range, including an empty row below and an empty column to the right. Then press ALT equals, and Excel will fill in the totals for every row and every column simultaneously. In just one click, you've summarized your entire table. This trick is extremely useful for financial models, sales summaries, and performance dashboards. If you're working inside an Excel table, you can create one by pressing Ctrl-T. The ALT equals shortcut works even better. Excel automatically creates a total row that can calculate not just SUM, but also average, count, max, and minute, all through drop-down options. So, combining Ctrl-T and ALT equals gives you a quick, clean, and professional-looking summary every single time. And that's it. The quickest way to sum in Excel using the ALT equals shortcut. It's simple, powerful, and once you start using it, you'll never go back to typing some manually again. If you found this tip useful, please give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment below and tell me your favorite Excel shortcut. And don't forget to subscribe to the Excel School for more time-saving Excel tips every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.